this is the brand new New York Knicks jersey, and you're receiving yours here from us on the show.
That's right, for the first time.
Yours fits really well.
It's a little bit snug, but
Am
you know
I
what?
wearing the same size you're wearing?
I think so.
Wow, this is incredible. All right.
You know, we may not have a chance to get him on the court, but how about in a classic game of Pop-A-Shot? I think we have a chance.
Yes, okay, so here's what's going to happen. The music's going to play us out, and then we will count down to the start. It's every man for himself.
It's going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it buzzes. You shoot beforehand, you're disqualified.
3, 2, 1.
Now it starts.
Can't get anything to go. That's it.
I said,
We tied.